Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Heather. My channel is all about my journey to lose 70 pounds with a little bit of lifestyle peppered in between. Today's video is a Sunday setup video. I have a grocery haul and a meal prep for you. Going forward, I will typically have the grocery haul and the meal plan in a separate video and then do my meal prep in my Sunday setup. I've been behind since Memorial Day, so I am just combining these two. That's why you're seeing everything in one video. In today's video, I did a little bit of grilling. My meal prep was pretty short and sweet. I do love to grill when the weather gets better. However, I ran out of propane like in the middle of grilling, so as you'll see later on in the video, I had to pull everything off the grill and bring it inside and finish cooking. It still worked out, but in today's video, I'm going to be making some dill pickle chicken, and I know it sounds really gross and weird, but it is very good. Trader Joe's has this new seasoning, the dill pickle seasoning, and I decided to put it on top of their buttermilk brined half chicken and then put that on the grill. And then I grilled some asparagus, and I also marinated some salmon for the week. A couple nights I had some just regular salmon in the air fryer, and I made sure to make an extra fillet of salmon so that the next day I could make a salmon bowl out of it. I don't know if any of you have watched that viral salmon bowl TikTok. Emily Marico, I think her name is. I have been obsessed with Emily Marico lately. I don't know why. It's just so relaxing to watch her, and I wish I was as healthy as her, but you know me. So yeah, you'll see that in this video. It's a short and sweet meal prep. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so let's get into the haul. I got this coleslaw kit, Persian cucumbers, some lettuce for my chicken Caesar wraps. I got some salmon fillets. I got this buttermilk brined half chicken. I'm going to grill this and add some dill pickle seasoning that I got last week. Here are some tortillas for the wraps. I got 2 avocados. I got all of my shots for the week. They didn't have shredded carrots, so I went with some whole carrots, and I will just shred them myself. I got some shaved Parmesan cheese, some asparagus. Love asparagus this time of year. I got some edamame. I got some of this hot honey sauce. I have heard rave reviews about it, and I am excited to try it. I got some more cold brew coffee. I got some of this sriracha and roasted garlic barbecue sauce. This stuff is amazing on salmon. If you have not had it, it is very, very good. I'm gonna try out some of this peri-peri sauce for my salmon bowls. Here's some of their vegan Caesar dressing for my chicken Caesar wraps. I got a chicken tikka masala and some buttered chicken for when I go into the office this week. And then I got some red onions, and then I got some of this breaded chicken for my chicken Caesar wraps. Okay, so I am starting out my meal prep with just marinating the salmon. I'm putting it in this big freezer bag with the roasted garlic sriracha barbecue sauce from Trader Joe's. Next, I'm getting the buttermilk brined half chicken ready to go and adding some of the dill pickle seasoning. I find using these tin foil trays is a lot easier for cleanup. I've been using them the last few weeks now, and I really like to use them. It's not something that I like to use all the time, obviously, because of the waste, but it does make my life a lot easier. After starting up the grill, I headed back inside and washed the asparagus. I'm sure many of you know this trick already, but if you don't, red onion is a great thing to use to clean the grill grates before adding your meat. Not only does it clean the grates, but it also adds some good flavor. While the chicken cooked a little bit, I went inside and I added a little bit of butter and salt and pepper to the asparagus. I love my asparagus, super simple, just with butter, salt and pepper. And I had actually just bought this new pan for the grill for veggies. I was really excited to use it. But of course, shortly after I added the asparagus to the grill, I ran out of propane, so I had to bring everything inside and finish cooking everything. I finished the chicken in the air fryer, and it turned out absolutely amazing. And then I just finished the asparagus on the stove. But like I said, super short, super simple meal prep this week. That's one of the reasons why I love the grill in the summertime. It makes everything super easy to clean up and makes meal prep super simple as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.